because you get started into one and just being all set to go. This is one thing I love about Schoolified is they have really given it some thought and taken into consideration everything that a freelance tutor might need to do or keep organized, and they just put it all under one neat banner or package. And so, yeah, I think that part is a no-brainer.
Yeah, Schoolified, when they came on my radar, it's like, the sun came up that day. I was so excited because there it is. I mean, look at the comparison chart. Nobody else does what they do. And It really is, if that's your priority, I mean, it's really easy to see where you want to go.
Right. Yes, absolutely. And yeah, so you don't have to have the Calendly, you don't have to have the, Stripe or anything. It's just all there.
And let me say to you about Schoolified, their platform works in such a way that you don't even have to have a website. You can have your profile on their platform and do everything under their name. If you do have a website, you can integrate he calls it widgetizing. You can integrate all of their widgets into your website so it stays all branded within your brand. So it's a very sleek, clean model, which again, I really like.
Yeah. Okay, let's start